Download the CentriClean app from Play Store or the Apple Store. Click the app to open and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Click Scan and then connect to your desired centrifuge within the app. Select the Settings tab to view and change alarms. Here you can change the centrifuge ID, set alarms for a reduction in RPMs, set cut-off limits or when service is required, and set alarms based on run hours. Today, we will set an alarm if RPMs reduce by 25%, and another if RPMs reduce by 50%. That's now registered with your device. I will now begin to reduce the RPMs using an RPM simulator to replicate how a centrifuge would rotate when installed. The app is now registering the reduction and will indicate yellow when we are near to our alarm limit. It begins to flash red when we have reached the 25% RPM reduction that was set. I will continue to reduce the RPM to the cut-off limit. When the cut-off limit is reached, the SCU service light will begin flashing orange and service of the centrifuge is required.